Hey guys, if you're experiencing issues with your Roblox voice chat not working, then stick around because in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the solutions to get your voice chat back up and running. Now, as there are a number of potential causes, we can't predict which solution is going to work for you, so we're just going to run through them one by one. So the first thing we're going to do is sign into our Roblox account, and then from here we want to come to the cog icon on the right hand side, and then just select settings. Now in this personal section here, you need to make sure that your age is verified in order to use voice chat. And then once you've done that, you can come over to privacy, and then we want to scroll down to chat features, and we want to make sure that enable chat with voice is enabled. And now, like I've just said, you'll only be able to use this feature if you've already verified your age. So make sure you have done that first before trying to enable the voice chat. Now, the next thing we need to do is check our sound settings. These steps will vary slightly depending on the device you are using, but for Windows users, we want to come over to the system tray, and then we want to right click this sound icon at the bottom here. And then we want to select sound settings. Now we want to scroll down to the input, and we want to make sure that our microphone is selected here. You also want to make sure that your volume's up to 100%, as generally the microphone volume needs to be higher than your regular computer sound in order for you to be heard clearly. If you don't see any devices at all here, all that means is you haven't connected your microphone, and you'll need to use this add device button in order to connect your microphone. Once your input device is showing and your sound has been turned up, then just click on your device here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to test your microphone. And then you just need to click start test and say a few words, and then you can stop the test. And as you can see here, the result 100% of total volume, which means my microphone's working fine. So if all of your microphone settings are correct here, the next thing we're going to do is some in-game settings. So what you want to do is you want to launch an experience where you know voice chat is supported. And then what we want to do is we want to press the escape key on our keyboard to bring up the settings menu. And now from here, if we click settings, now what we need to do is we need to scroll down to input device, and now this should match the input device in the previous step. So as you can see here, I've got my microphone selected, and again the volume should be turned up to maximum. Now if we just click off of these settings, we should also check that our character isn't muted. When you're in a Roblox experience, look over your character's head to see if there's a microphone icon with a slash through it. If that's the case, like mine here, then before you can say anything, you need to unmute yourself through the settings menu. You can either just click this button here, and as you can see, the green volume button's coming up, and that just basically shows that my microphone's working. You can also do this through pressing the escape key, and you can mute and unmute your microphone from this menu setting here. And now the last thing you want to check is that the people you are playing with and want to hear are also unmuted. Now if there's a red X next to someone's name, it means they're muted, so to unmute someone you can just click and then tap again to unmute someone. Hopefully that's fixed all of your audio issues, but if you still are experiencing problems, then please drop me a comment and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Until next time.